Social Dialogue for Peace and Crisis Prevention in Sri Lanka. Social Dialogue for Peace is all about bringing people together to engage, understand, and build stronger institutions and communities. In recent years, efforts have intensified to foster peace, strengthen social cohesion, and prevent crises through dialogue and community engagement. In response to this, the United Nations in Sri Lanka, together with the government of Sri Lanka, joined hands to launch the Social Dialogue for Peace and Crisis Prevention in Sri Lanka project to enhance social dialogue and promote inclusive economic recovery in Sri Lanka. This joint project will be implemented by the International Labour Organization, ILO, the United Nations Population Fund, UNFPA, and the United Nations Educational, Scientific and Cultural Organization, UNESCO, and is supported via the UN Sri Lanka SDG Fund by the UN Secretary General's Peacebuilding Fund, UNPBF, demonstrating a strong commitment to peace building. Extensive research and consultations were conducted to design a program that truly meets the needs of the people. The project will strengthen social dialogue mechanisms at national, sectoral, and workplace levels for effective dispute resolution and for improved public service delivery and avoid citizen unrest. Enhance social cohesion and peace through dialogue among communities. Address underlying social tensions and conflicts by fostering communication and understanding. The project is rooted in the belief that inclusive dialogue can lead to sustainable peace and development. Celebrating our shared humanity and cultural richness is a key part of building peace. These events remind us that we are stronger together and that unity in diversity is our greatest strength.
With Sri Lanka's ongoing economic recovery and reforms, strong social dialogue and effective dispute resolution are keys to a more stable, peaceful, and sustainable economic recovery. This new initiative will help prevent workplace disputes before they arise and also contribute to social justice by providing forums and mechanisms where workers can raise their issues and concerns so that decent work can be achieved for all women and men.
The project will achieve this by establishing and making more inclusive dialogue and dispute resolution mechanisms for the public sector and enhancing the effectiveness and inclusivity of existing dialogue mechanisms for the private sector.
So our role at UNESCO would be to focus on building the capacities of local civic forums through the strengthening of intercultural skills, as well as facilitating dialogues that include women, youth, and the workers in the informal economy with policy-making structures, and doing this both at district and national levels.
By listening to the voices of the community, the project was tailored to their unique challenges and aspirations.
Through our involvement in this project, we look to ensure that women and young people are included in all peace-building processes as a pathway to sustainable development in Sri Lanka. One of our key goals is to educate communities about the importance of dialogue and peaceful coexistence. We aim to ensure that youth voices are heard and integrated into the peace-building processes by creating safe spaces for dialogue and resolution of conflicts. In addition, UNFPA will be addressing the vital and significant issues like gender-based violence, but also ensuring access to essential health services.
By bringing everyone to the table, we ensure that all voices are heard, leading to more effective and inclusive solutions for a brighter future.
This collaborative effort is supported by the United Nations SDG Fund here in Sri Lanka, which counts on 6 partners, notably the Secretary General's Peacebuilding Fund. And so we look forward to bringing together the expertise of ILO, UNESCO, and UNFPA together in support of the Ministry of Public Administration and to contribute meaningfully to social dialogue so reforms are sustainable and inclusive.
We deeply appreciate our partners' collaboration and commitment as we work together to create sustainable and equitable opportunities for all, especially the most at risk.